What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Part 2. Like I said, y'all already know, man. We linked up. We're going to shoot multiple video, multiple content. So, man, I'm about to take my boy for a ride in old brown coat, man. Hey, what you expecting out of this joker, man?
I don't know, man. Mother got them tires on it. She might be saying, hold on.
Hey, we're gonna do a little something, man, a little razzle dazzle. He said, what you say, you know, felt 383 strokers and stuff like that?
383 stroker, what else? My scat pack. I ain't never even been in a Hellcat before. And that's pretty much it. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I got my guy that tuned my car, he got a turbo, the turbo Trailblazer.
Okay, yeah, the all-wheel drive one.
Man, Lord have mercy.
The all-wheel drive hit different now.
Man, he showed me a video and he was like, come on, let's go around. Like, bro, if you driving like that?
Nah, ain't nothing going on.
No.
Hey.
The truck ain't coming off the ground. I'm like, hold on, bro. I'm at to rethink this one.
Yeah, man.
I'm at to rethink this one, bro.
The joker there hit different, man. So look, y'all, we finna
You need me to move on up, so?
let me see. We might be like, yeah, you.
Might need but they can come in.
Nah, that's my father-in-law. Yeah, you can pull up. You can pull up right there where he used the park. Cause y'all know, boy, brown coat, we can't run out this joker hill, boy. I did that one time.
I wouldn't want to do that.
Them cow track caught, boy, that joker was stuck.
How you get it out? You have to pull it off.
Put something under the tire and roll up on it. Yeah, more them cow tracks, boy, y'all know that joker low. So we finna fire the nag up. Sound so good. Sound so good. Yes, indeed. Well, we're gonna jump on the GoPro, man. Y'all stay tuned. We about to see how this go. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So we taking a ride to Mexico. Yeah, Mexico, man. So look, man, I was just talking to Ike, man, putting him on some game, on some race stuff, performance stuff, not race stuff, just necessary performance, you know. We're talking superchargers and some top secret stuff, man. You know,
right.
Y'all don't know, man. Y'all will see it, man. But
yeah, he teaching me some stuff about the cars that I don't know, cause I know I say it in a heartbeat. I don't know. I ain't scared to tell nobody I don't know, and I ain't scared to ask either. You gotta learn, cause it's a lot of stuff dealing with putting a car together. If you know everything like that, that's because you've been doing it for a long time.
Oh yeah, and still they had learning from somebody.
Exactly. You still can always learn something from somebody, because everybody don't do it the same way.
Exactly.
Everybody don't do it the same.
Tell you, man, don't ever think you know everything, man.
No.
You ain't never too old to learn.
Right.
I told him that getting the hot box. Yeah, it ain't that bad when the wind blows.
No, I mean, shit, you got the window down. As long as the windows come down.
Yeah, exactly. It's over road when you saying steel car, y'all know ain't got the headline in here. That heat coming straight out the roof, boy, that road.
It'll be alright.
Like
if you been dealing with old school, and you know about old cars, back in the G, I don't care what you say, that nobody had no air in their car.
We just said that
everybody had this right here. Ain't nobody had no air in their car back in the day.
You done went through some time with the old school, you ain't had no air for real.
Right.
You done went, like we were talking about transmissions earlier, man. We like, everybody had 350. Or sell motor, like we said, but he already know. He said, oh, they tearing them up.
Tearing them up. Everybody had one, but everybody was tearing them up too, boy.
Alright, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Hey, you look familiar now?
Oh, yeah. That's where you be acting bad.
Hey, that's it. Alright, y'all. So look, go ahead and make the hit.
Check my drawer when I get back. Man, that little truck pulling.
Hey, it feels so much radical cars in a little small truck, man. Hey, man.
Lord have mercy.
Showtime got he got brown coat right, man.
Man, this son of a put.
This new transmission, man. But look, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We're gonna turn around. I'm gonna make a hit when we head back from Mexico. So y'all stay tuned.
Oh, boy.
It gonna stop. That's why I said I ain't worried about that, man. We were talking about that pad, man. We were talking about I got some good brakes on it. I said, yes, it gonna stop.
Man.
Everything in the yard got good brakes on it. Got to, man. We're going fast. It just gonna stop.
I ain't lying, cause Lord have mercy.
Man.
When I say
pretty nasty.
Stick it and move, Lord have mercy.
I told her, man, we on motor. We on motor right now, but
and you put nitrous on this?
Nitrous on it too. Alright,
y'all. We gotta see this. This live action in brown coat.
We did a pad, man. We might get some tire smoke this time. Let's see. Hey, man, gotta juice them up. Juice them up a little bit.
Lord have mercy.
It'll be juiced up with the AC, man. Like,
hey, I ain't gonna lie. That feel like my scat pack.
Oh, yeah.
And my scat pack got almost 500 horses.
Yeah.
Dog, it feel like that scat pack.
I'm telling you, man.
But it's different when it's in an old school.
It is.
In a new car, you feel power, but that power in an old school cars, it feel different.
It's different. It do for real. That facts.
Cause the car is lighter. Cause this truck is lighter than a scat pack.
Oh, way lighter.
That's what I'm saying.
Way
so
lighter.
9 times out of 10, if you take off beside a scat pack, you gonna leave the scat pack.
It wait.
He might run you down later on because
that ain't the mile, boy.
what?
That power to weight, man. It rough.
I gotta send that to my cousin. I gotta show cuz that.
Oh, boy.
Whoa,
We'll turn
Lord.
y'all on in a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Checking in, man. We back from the ride. The smoke done settled. The storm done cleared. Ike gone. And he done went for the ride of his life in brown coat. He done went for a ride in brown coat, man. He went for a ride in that one, too. But that's on his channel. Y'all got to go check that out, too. He went for a ride in R&B, too, man. Y'all got to check that out. But brown coat done did what it do. Showtime power. DJ done delivered. And it gonna get better when we go to Lawless, man. We go to putting the finishing up. Basically, when it go to Lawless, it gonna be finished. It gonna get wrapped up. Ain't gonna be nothing there performance-wise left to do. The finishing touch is gonna be done. Same thing with R&B. R&B next week, y'all ain't gonna see these boxes in the garage. They finally gonna be gone. I'm tired of looking at them. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I'm tired of looking at these boxes. I'm tired of looking at those little parts, man. These parts need to be on the car. So, I say 2 weeks. 2 weeks, these be back on the car. I'm ready to put these back on the car. The 60, get all this stuff out of the way. This stuff here going to little bro, which y'all seen in that video. We changed the front brake back over. This stuff going to little bro right here. So, it'll be gone. This whole little section will be gone, man. And I have my spade back. We'll be back clear. So, I don't know. It was a good day, man. It's been a good day. We've been in the heat. We've been in the heat now. Hey, it been hot. We've been in the heat rolling and moving and grooving, but we got it done. And see my hat cricket, I got the TI hat going on. Man, but we've been shaped around the road, man. But productive day, good day, man. Got some lit content coming on his channel. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait for y'all to see it, man. Y'all go over there and support. Go subscribe and all of that. And yeah, man, they're gonna wrap this one up. Y'all know anytime somebody come, man, they want to ride in the whips, man. I got to take them for a ride. I ain't pulled John Jones out. I could have, I ain't pull it out, but honestly, I didn't feel like digging all this stuff out. And y'all know Black Haven, man, it can't move right now. It could move, but I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. Cause I ain't tell y'all in the other vlog. But I did tell y'all. I told y'all about the boot. So for one, we got the ball joint, gotta put the boot on there. And for two, the brakes ain't been bled, so I wasn't even finna fool with that. And we got the fuel pump issue, but I already got that figured out and know what I'm finna do. And I'm just about to do it. So all in all, man, like I said, good day. Good day. And they're gonna wrap this one up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.